going live for the first time, and I'm at Fit and Bendy. You might be able to see the sign there, Fit and Bendy. And I'm in the private area, the private room, to work with a client that I work with on Skype. Her name is Jo. She's amazing, and I'm going to show you a little bit of a peek into what it's like to train with me. So here I am, just chilling, just hanging out, getting ready to teach Jo some flexibility tricks that are going to help with some of her pull goals. No, I'm not going to do any contortion today, but you'll see me talking about it. You'll see and hear me talking about it and leading a student through a little series. Hi, Hollis. Wave. Cute. So I'm just going to give her a moment, and I'm going to figure out how to join, go live with. Where is the search bar? There it is. Jo. Hey, it's JoJo. Great. How do I do this? Oh, I should have practiced this. JoJo. Oh, maybe she has to join my live. Where is she? Let's figure this out. Oh, there's My Haven LA. Please send a request from the view. We're doing it. We're doing it. It was My Haven LA, not Yay Let's JoJo. Hi.
Hi.
We did it.
Wait, am I in? Oh, I'm with Haven. Oh, should I do? Okay, I wasn't sure if we were gonna do like my personal one.
No, I think it's totally fine. The Haven is great.
Oh, okay, cool.
Good.
Yay.
Yay. So you guys get to see fabulous Jo, and she's going to be working on some upper back and back bending mobility drills to help with some of the grabbing the feet moves. Say hi, Jo.
Hi. Sorry, I know you have a great shot of my boobs, but I'm trying to.
Great boobs. Everyone is enjoying this. They're like, where's this going? All right. So we have a couple of props that we're using today, and we'll start with the lunge using a strap. And Jo's going to demonstrate a shoulder floss, which is a good way to start developing your back bend around your lunges. So take a knee and trap the block underneath trap the strap underneath your shin. Excellent. You're going to lunge with the back foot flexed. Use your toes to push into the floor. First, focus on moving your hips forward and down. Stretch the front of your left hip flexor opening. Then start to pull on the strap. As you pull the strap, reach your arms backwards and lean back slowly. We've done plenty of warm-up here. This isn't our first. This is actually one of our last back bends. So enjoy this gorgeous upper back stretch. Gently hug your elbows in towards the ceiling. Finish that circle with your arms. Excellent. From here, use your front leg to gently press your body backwards. Hands and shoulders and arms. As you do so, feel the left hip flexor moving even more. Your head will slowly descend towards your heel. Beautiful. Then move your hips forward again. Take your arms wide. Take your arms wide. Slowly sit yourself up. Nicely done. No one's ever seen me teach like this, Jo. So this is looking really funny because I'm like leaning with you. Like lean it back, and they're like, hold the camera still, dude. Good. That was one of your best ones, huh?
Thank you. Let's try the camera.
Really nice. How'd it feel on your chest?
Good. Not really open because I'm very tight being a pole dancer, so it really helped to open it up.
Good. And the strap is nice because it doesn't stretch, so you have to sort of make up the difference in that mobility.
Yeah.
Now let's practice the other side.
Okay.
I'll try to use the same order of operations. Start with your hips down low and crawl your hands in tight on that strap. So choke up on the length so there's not too much slack. Good. Focus first on hips moving down low, big split between the legs. Then activate your arms more and more. Pull the strap wider. Lean back. Move your ribs and shoulders and head back. Beautiful. Spot the ceiling. Finish the circle with your arms, adjusting your hands on the strap if needed, sliding them out. Beautiful. Hug your palms to face in, elbows to point up. Nice, Jo. Start to use your front leg. Push into the floor to move your body backwards. Reach further back and move your head towards your back foot. Belly in, ribs secure. 3, 2, 1. Sit your hips down low again. Slowly open your arms wide. Bring your head through, bring your chest up. Good job. Excellent. Take your moment and take a cat-cow on hands and knees. Move your spine around. Excellent. Mobilize in all directions. Important that we can get into these moves and that we can get out of them. So after back bends, I'm often incorporating planks, mobility that moves in circles and figure eights, side to side, to help mobilize the spine in all directions. Not just back bend, even though deepening back bend is our ultimate goal. Good. So now what we're going to try, Jo, is something we haven't done yet.
Okay.
So it'll be new. You get to learn on cam. So let's do block with with the towel over it so that we can do that hands-free Cobra without pain on the pelvis.
Yes, please.
Pain on the pelvis, no thanks. Hi, guys. Waving to all of you.
Should I tilt the phone down more, or do you see me?
I can see you.
Okay.
Good. Start in your Cobra. Keep your hands planted and start to pull with your arms. Good. Use your hands, your lats, your triceps, and pull. Good. Nicely done. Fire up those lats as much as possible, Jo. Then fly your arms backwards. Keep this elevation without the use of your hands. Excellent. Draw your belly up to gain height. Lift your navel. Good. Lift your ribs. Then bend your right knee. Catch the inside edge of your right foot. Good. Kick and lift a little higher. Lift your belly. Bend your other side. Grab the other foot. Catch. Nice. Hold it here for a moment and push your feet wider to gain elevation. Use your chest muscles. Push your feet wide. Excellent. Hold it for a moment. Then tuck your chin and turn your arms in, biceps to point down towards the floor. Good. Turn your arms in, biceps down. Hold it for a moment. Then again, lift your chin, turn your biceps up, and push your feet wide. Bend your elbows a little. Bend your elbows a little. Push your feet wide. 3, and 2, and 1. Very nice. Release your feet one at a time. Place your hands down. Then elbows down. Then take a forearm plank. Excellent. Really nice.
Thank you.
Let your belly reset. Let your back reset. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good. Nicely done. I can't wait to come to your studio soon.
Yes, yes. So for all of you Haveners, we are super excited to have Micah come in March to teach awesome flexibility workshop, probably 2. So we'll definitely post about those in a bit.
Yes, and for my followers that don't know, My Haven LA is in DTLA, so it's downtown, it's local. It'll be an opportunity for the students there to practice with me, and also if anyone that's trying to tag along. And we'll let you know about the spots as soon as we figure the capacity. Do we have an idea of capacity for workshop?
We're looking pretty intimate, but about 8 to 10, so everyone has space to move.
Perfect. Good. Very important because we'll be flying around legs ablaze. Really looking forward to getting to meet you in person. Jo and I have met in person.
I know. It's like our 6th or 7th Skype session, so excited to have you actually address me in person, even though these Skype sessions or FaceTime sessions are super helpful.
Yeah, it's great. You get a chance to kind of do that work and see what it's like to use props and use different things to manage it on your own, which helps you build your home practice, of course, and gives you more strategies those times when you don't have a coach. And yeah, it's really good working with you. It's clear that Jo is also a master teacher and performer and has amazing body awareness, but I work with students of all levels and of all levels of flexibility. So definitely check me out, check out the Skype sessions, and you heard it from Jo. It's good stuff. So yeah, thanks for joining us live. I guess this will stay. Will this stay on our pages?
Yes, for 20 minutes, like a regular story.
Nice. Yeah. Good. Give love a chance to check it out.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, Jo. I'll see you next week.
Okay, bye.
Bye.